Hi YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we are doing mushroom steak flautas with scallion, crema, and crispy onions. So this is a simple meal. It takes 20 to 30 minutes. The hard part I've already taken out of the way. I prepared the ingredients ahead of time. That is really what takes you the longest part of the time. Everything else is super quick, super easy. We're gonna go through it. It's not a spicy meal. It's an easy level preparation. And we are going to go through everything so that you can see how long it takes. Now I'm gonna walk you through the steps. I'm gonna walk you through the ingredients, and then we are going to start cooking. So we'll do that fast. We'll get back to plating, and then we'll finish it up with a little bit of tasting. So with that, let's look at the ingredients. So we have our scallion, which I've already cut 2 scallions. I cut in half, I separate the whites from the greens, and you just basically cut them separately. You have your light plain cream cheese. You have 5 mushroom tops, and then you just cut them lengthwise, as you can see. You have some crispy onions. You have some garlic salt. We have some, oh, this is Demi-Glace. Some sour cream. We have our 12 ounces of beef, and we have our tortillas. So we're gonna get into the steps. I'm gonna walk through the ingredients, or excuse me, I'm gonna walk through the steps for you really quickly. And like I said, then we'll get to it. We'll do it on the stove, super quick, easy. Bam, we'll knock it out, all right? So the other thing you have is your handy dandy card, which comes with all of your home chef meals. This is a home chef meal. And then from there, it gives you your steps. Now this step, like I said, it's super simple. This is only 5 steps to the meal. First thing you wanna do is prepare your ingredients, and then we're gonna prepare our crema sauce, which is sour cream, our onions, half a teaspoon of water, and a pinch of salt. We're gonna make that sauce. We're gonna set that aside. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cook our steak. We're gonna cook up our filling. We're gonna do that in a medium-sized frying pan over medium-high heat. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna cook the steak strips in there. We're gonna add our mushrooms and the white portions of our onions. And we're gonna cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes until there's no longer pinkness to the steak. And then after that, we're gonna assemble our flautas. And then remember, you cook your flautas in your same frying pan. So we're gonna basically roll them up like burritos or like the cannolis, and then you put them in the pan on medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of oil or 2 teaspoons of oil. And then you cook seam side down for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you roll it over, and then you cook seam side up for 2 to 3 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna plate it, and it's done. So let's get to cooking, let's get to making, and then we'll get to eating. So YouTube family, we are done. The flautas came out okay. I'm happy with, I also made some spicy vegetables to go with it. I also cut up some peppers, which is kind of the nice part about all of these meals, you can make them what you want, and I put peppers on the inside. But that being said, we're gonna try it out. 20 minutes, simple, easy, a meal that I think you could definitely make for your family. And it's pretty straightforward. You don't really need to think too much about it. Flautas are a simple way to kind of use a tortilla and meat to make a simple but hearty meal. So with that, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna try it out. Let's try my vegetables first. I didn't even show you how to make the vegetables, but always having a vegetable with it is great. My vegetables are good. Now we're gonna get into my flautas. They're spicy because of the jalapenos I put on the inside. One thing I would adjust in terms of the direction, it says when you're toasting the flautas to do it 1 to 2 minutes. I would say, depending on how hot your pan is, you don't even need to do it that long. Because if you do it too long, you get the char on this side. And you don't want to get the char. Now, all of them, they come out charred, but if you don't want the char, you can do it for less time. The oil definitely does a good job of sealing the seam, but you could also do the same thing with butter. So it just depends on what you want. But all in all, I would say great meal. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with the outcome. Definitely advise you to try this if you have Home Chef or any other meal service. Do the flautas. The flautas are easy. With that, I'm going to get out of here. Please hit the like button for the algorithm. Please hit the notification bell so you can see when I come out with different meals. This is a great one for Taco Tuesday. And please subscribe to my channel. I forgot to tell you that. Subscribe to my channel. I'm glad you're rocking with me. I'm glad we're taking this meal journey. I like it. I'm eating better. I'm healthier. And with that, the cream piece on the cream cheese sauce on the top. Awesome. With the onions, awesome. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe and like below. Flautas.
Subscribe right below.